Hey, I think we're live. Hello Parvan, what's up? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see my screen as well? Give me some ones in the chat if you can. Have web tutorials Guru, Samantha, Gosh, Parvan. Hello guys, what's up? Let's wait a little bit for more people to join in. I think the live is okay. Let me ask in the chat. So live okay. Hey, hello. Is the live okay, Goose? Give me some ones in the chat, guys, if you can see my screen and if you can hear me well as well. We'll wait a little bit more before the people from Discord join as well. Okay. Okay. Let's wait a little bit. So guys, okay, so we're already 10 people watching already. Hello guys, can you see my screen? Can you hear me well? We did not start the live yet. Today we are going to build a video chat app with Zigo Cloud API, okay? Hello Abish, hello Saroj. What's up guys? Welcome to the stream. Joban, hello, what's up? Zero, Abhishen, Rashal, Saroj, Kumar, Parvan, Eternal, Joban, Ongloku, Bone, all good. Okay, perfect. So today guys, for the people who are new, yes, okay, hello Happy, hello Vince, what's up guys? Welcome to the stream. Today we'll build a video chat API with Zigo Cloud. It will be very easy to integrate. Zigo Cloud, it's a really nice API. So for example, can go live in just a few minutes. It's just so easy to use. I'll show you guys. Hello bro. Hello Kunal, hello Joban, Pratik, what's up guys? Let me see. Yeah, it's an amazing product. So I'll show you guys how to use it. It's free to use, so if you guys want to follow me, if you guys want to code along with me, Zigo Cloud is free, so you can go ahead and try it with me. I'll use the free version, so they give you like 10,000 minutes free, so yeah, you can check that out. Have the link in the description. Hello Rishi, hello Goose, hello. Okay, so we're already 30 people. I think we'll start. Because yeah, it's a pretty good start. Let's start this, guys. So okay, let me have something here. Okay, is the sponsor? Yes, it's today's sponsor. Okay, yes, indeed. So without further ado, let's start this video, guys. So hello Goose bro, hello Goose, hello Royal, hello. Welcome. Oh, let me create the poll as well. So I'll have start a poll, and this will be comment. Let's see. Okay. Comment. If you are new to the stream, if you enter the stream. Okay, and let me do it again, the second option. So let me do it again. Okay, I just text the question. You guys go ahead and vote. Hey, hi dear sir, good evening. Hello Goose, hello bro, please teach us HTML, CSS, JavaScript in React.JS from beginning. Yeah, sure. Benkiento, hello. Full Stack, hello. Sadman, Tanver, Eternal, Royal, Duke Chow, hello guys, welcome to the stream. Let me change the song as well. Okay, so we're like 5 minutes in. Let's start this video. I'll go to browse and let me get a nice playlist. I'll go, where is it? Discover, essentials. No, yes. From Kenya. Okay, cool. Kenya, we have Kenya in the house. Okay. Where are from Romania. Okay, so guys, in today's video we are going to build a video chat API. No, a video chat like I'm from Bangladesh. We're from Romania. He's from, yes, I'm from Romania. Yes, indeed. 30 people already in the chat. Okay, cool. Yeah, we've talked a lot, so let's go ahead and start. So this will be on YouTube as well, so if you don't have time to watch it right now, you'll see it on YouTube probably tomorrow or in 2 days maximum. Okay, so for the people who are new to the stream, in today's video we are going to build a video chat app with Zigo Cloud API, React and Tailwind CSS for the front end. Okay, so let's go ahead and install React with Tailwind CSS. I'll go first here, let me say React with Tailwind, React with Tailwind. So this is the first link. We'll just go here and let's install React first of all. Let me create a new folder first of all, so I'll have here a new folder. I'll say video chat Zigo Cloud. Okay, so Zigo. If you guys want to follow along with me, go ahead. You have a link in the description to use Zigo Cloud. It's free, so give it a shot. Okay, now that we have this folder here, let me check if it's a good folder. Video chat. Okay, perfect. Let's install React. Okay, so we'll go here. I'll copy the first link, the first line of code, npx create. Let's open the terminal by going here and terminal, new terminal. So terminal, new terminal. Paste this in. So you can paste this in, and instead of my project, I'll have here video chat. Okay, let's wait for this to install. Make some course. Okay, sure. Hello Sagar, hello Okage, Anand, NLB, make some course. Yeah, hi, hello Daniel. Zigo Cloud for video call. Yes, it's for video call API. Yeah, it's Zigo Cloud. It's a really cool video and chat API, and they have a lot of more things as well. If you go here, they have on the products, they have video call, in-app chat, superboard, cloud recording, virtual avatar, voice call, live streaming, AI effects, analytics dashboard, 20 plus UI kits as well that you can work with as well. So hi, hello Yuki, hello Ikman. How do you stream every single day? I hesitate before starting code. You just have to do it, man. Enrique Barreto, what's up, dude? Welcome to the stream. Okay, I'll take like a few more seconds before this is done, and we'll start. Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay. Joban, this is an API, so we'll fetch this API and we'll use Zigo Cloud interface. Okay, I'll show you in a moment. Okay. Okay, so it's done. Let's go in here. Actually, no, it's not done. A few more seconds. Create React app. It's very slow, but yeah. Now let's go back to the instructions. So cd into the project. So cd video chat. So cd video chat. Then in the terminal, I'm gonna copy this npm install. So this is for Tailwind CSS. We can install Tailwind CSS right here. Bam. Okay. Now the second one, after this is installed, we'll install this one as well. Okay. It's done. Let's install this one now. Bam. npx Tailwind CSS init. The next step is to copy this Tailwind CSS config. Go to video chat, Tailwind config, delete everything from here because we don't need this, paste this and save. And the next one should be this one. Copy it and let's go and paste it inside index CSS. Okay, so source index CSS, and at the top let's paste this and save. Now the last start would be to start the server, but before we start the server, let's delete app CSS, app test, logo, report, and setup as well. Okay, so I'll delete them because we don't need them. Now in app CSS we can delete import the logo, so we don't need the logo. We can delete this div as well, this header right here, and just say hi. Now in index CSS we can delete the report to vitals because we've deleted that file as well, so and this line as well. Bam, save. And now we should be good to start this project. So now we can say npm run start or npm start, whatever you want. And let's wait for this to start. Okay, this should pop up in the browser right here. Bam, perfect. Then we should have a blank page as well with a hi text inside. Okay. Can install app.css. So we have the app.css probably in here. Let's see, app.css. Yeah, so we can delete this one as well because we don't have that file anymore. Index CSS, it's enough. I'll save this. And now we have the hi right here. Perfect. Okay. Will you going to deploy it? We'll see. T and spirit. Okay. T, hello Tushar, hello Shuria, hello Cedric. What makes you code and live every single day? I like it. So yeah. Now let's go to app.js, and here we'll have first of all, let's go actually to index.js because we'll use routing. Okay, so we'll have a home where we'll have to enter the code for the room, and then we'll have a room component. Okay, so let's go to app.js and let's install React router as well. So I'll say React router DOM. You can go to React router DOM, actually on the second one maybe. Okay, npx React app, no. You can just say npm install React router DOM. So React router DOM npm this one, and just go ahead and copy this one, npm y React router DOM, or type it manually, it's not a problem. So first duplicate this one, say cd into video chat. Now let's install React router DOM as well. Okay. Let's wait a little bit for this to install. Now that this is done, let's go to index and let's import right here browser router. Okay, so I'll say import browser router, this one right here, from React router DOM. Perfect. And let's have a router, import browser router as router, like this, and save. Let's copy this router and have it like this, router, and this one should be inside, so app should be inside this router. Okay, save, like that. Perfect. Now the next thing to do, it's we're done with this index.js. Let's go to app.js right here, and let's use this routing here as well. So I'll import the routes and navigate so we can use it. Okay, so I'll say import, and I'll have first of all routes, and navigate as well. So from, and I'll say React router DOM, so React router DOM, and save. And now we have imported these inside our app.js. Okay, so now let's use the routes, then the route, and yeah, that's it. So we'll have inside, I'll say first of all routes, not with the capital A, let me retype it. So routes, like that. Then inside these routes we'll have a route, a single route, so I'll say route, like this. And inside we'll have a path, so for example our URL, you know, so for example tailwind.com/docs/guides, see, so something like that. Let me show you. So yeah, if you go for example on products, video call, you can see you have this // so this is what we're using this route for. I'll say here a path, I'll give this a path, so path, this will be the home page, so I'll say path should be only /, so / is the main page, and the element, this will be the component that will show up. Okay, so this will be equal with home, so I'll have a home component inside. We'll create a home component as well, so home, like this, and save. And now let's go to source, create a folder here, and say components, okay, components, and inside we'll have the home component. I'll have home. This can be like a whole, we'll leave this home, I'll delete this. Okay, I'll delete this file, but we'll leave the components. But inside source we'll have here a home.js, so this will be an entire page. Okay, and for this page we'll take the components from the components folder. I'll give it an rfc and save. And now if I save, and let's go to localhost, let me close this as well. I'll close this as well, and here let's go to localhost. I'm gonna get this error, let me show you. Home is not defined, so let's import home as well. So we have in app.js, let's import this element, home, save. So import home from home, save, and we have this home right here. Now we want a second one as well. We want in the home, we'll enter our room code, okay, and then we'll be redirected to the room page. Okay, so we'll have a room page as well. Here this will be the room, and this will be /room. Okay, so this will be /room/ and then we have the ID of the room. Okay, because there can be multiple rooms. So for example, multiple calls. Okay, so you'll choose whatever call you want to enter. So we'll have here room ID, so room ID, like this, and save. And the element should be room. Okay, so room, let's create a page called room.js, rfc, save. Room is not defined, so let's go to app.js, import the room component. So here at the top, make sure it's imported. Now when you go to /room, you get to room /room ID. So for example, if I give it like bam, you just have to give it an ID, you know. So this will be room. So yeah, looks perfect. Now let's go back to home. So I'll have here home. This will be the home page. So inside here, inside the home page, we'll have, for example, a label with an input, you know. So we can actually import, so you can actually store the value of the room, okay, so the code. So let's first have a simple example, and then we'll make it nice, okay, we'll make it look nice. So in the home right here, we'll have first of all a div that we already have, and then we'll have the label as well. So I'll have a label like this. We don't really need anything inside. We'll just say enter the room code, enter the room code like this. We'll make it work, and then we'll make it we'll style it as well, okay. So first of all, we want this to work, okay. So after the enter room code, we'll have an input as well. So let's create an input where we can type our text, okay. So this will be required as well. So let's say required. This will be required, and the next thing to do, let's add a placeholder as well, and this will be, for example, enter room code. So enter room code, okay, and we should give this a value as well, code, okay, and we'll need a value as well, for example, room code, and we'll store this room code inside state, okay. So we'll have here value first of all. So value should be equal with room code. So room code, and let's actually give this let's store this in state, okay. So I'll have a const right here, const, and this will be room code, and then after the room code, after the room code, we have set room code, okay. So this will be set room code, so we can change the state of the room code, okay. Set room code, and equal with use state. We are storing this in state. Make sure you import the state as well. So this will be at first empty, so curly braces, okay. Save this, and we just saved the state for this, okay. So the next thing to do would be, after this, we'll have an onChange function. So when you change this thing, so this is the enter room code, okay. When you type something in, this is text value, have the room code as well, cool. So when you change this, we want to change the state in here as well, yeah. So let's have an onChange function right here, onChange, and when this changes, I want an event as well. So I'll have an event like this. I want an event, and we want to set room code, so to actually change the state of this room code, and we'll use the event.target.value. So this is how we get the actual value that we type in here. Let me inspect this, and I'll show you if I console log this, set room, if I console log this, console.log, and save, I'll show you how this changes. So I'll refresh this, and here we have this input. Now if you go to console and type something in, you can see how this changes, okay. You can see how this changes. So I'll go back to set room code, okay, perfect. So now if you console log, for example, room code, console.log room code, and save. Let's refresh this as well. When you type this in, you can see how this changes, okay. So this is the room code. So this will be like a short number. Let me close this. Okay, perfect. Now that we know that this is working, let's go ahead and have a button as well, for example, a submit. So I'll have, after this input, I'll have a button with type submit, so you can actually submit this form, okay. I'll have here a button, and this will say, for example, submit or enter room, okay. So this will be a type submit, type type, submit and save. So this is a button right now, okay? And if I type something in and enter room, this is pretty much done. But now let's actually submit, let's have a function, okay, with that submits the code, okay? So I'll create a function called, for example, submit code, and what I want to do in that is to navigate to the room code, okay? So let's go ahead and do that, okay? So on submit, when you submit this form, this is not actually a form right now, but let's make it a form. So I'll have a form right here, and I'll move this label and input and button as well inside the form, okay? Save it like this, perfect. And when you submit this form, so when you click on this button, I want this function submit the code to run, okay? So on submit, I have here on submit, I want this function called submit code, so submit code to run. So in here I have the function. Let's create a function. It should be really easy to do. So submit const, it will be a simple function, so submit code equals, and we have here an event, and then I want when this event happens, so when you click this button, when you submit the enter room button, because this is a type submit, so when you click on this, the form submits, okay? So first of all, when you submit this one, you can see the page refreshes, so we don't want to do that. To stop this, you'll just have to say event.prevent default, now Control Z, default, like this. And now when you click on this, this will not refresh. See, this will not refresh. Now the single thing we need to do here is to navigate to the actual room page, okay? So we'll have a use navigate hook as well. So let's import use navigate from React Router DOM. I'll have here import use navigate from React Router DOM. So let's create a const that has this navigate. So I'll say const use navigate like this equals with use navigate, okay? So this will be use navigate, and it has to look like this. Save. So now we have this navigate. So when we submit this code, let me make this prettier like this. Navigate, we want to navigate to the room. So I'll have here these things. I'll have room, so slash room, and then let's say slash, and this is how you add the value inside this, so slash, and here we'll have the room code. So this thing right here, let me make this not capitalized and save. So now I have the room code as well. So I just save this, and now when I click this and enter room, we'll go to room slash and the code, okay? Pretty simple, right? Okay, hello guys. Hello, we need to, okay. Coffee, hello code with TLM, hello Mohadiz, what's up guys, welcome to stream. So let's continue. Now we've basically set this up. So the room page, it's pretty much done. Let's make this a little bit looking better. We'll make it look better after we make this this application work, but for now I'll just say, for example, enter the room code, so they should be form. I have a class name right here, class name equals, this is Tailwind CSS guys, so I'll make them flex items center, justify center, like that. And now I want this enter room code to be label. I mean, I'll make it like an label HTML, okay. I'll use here, for example, a break line. So break line br, break line, and save. Enter room code, flex items center, oh, flex column, so flex column, save. Okay, so now they're like that. Okay, we don't need this break line, save. Okay, perfect. Now I have this, and this. Looks nice. So I'll make this, for example, font bold. enter the room. I'll make this not inside here, so I'll create a class name. So class name font bold, like that, and I'll say text should be like 20 pixels. We'll make this look better at the end, guys, so don't worry about that. I'll give this a padding to the top of 12. Nice. Now the enter room code, no, now this input should be, let me give it a class name of, and bg should be blue 500, like that. The placeholder should be text white. I want a padding on the Y of 2, like this, and a width of 6 rem. No, I'll go with 16 rem, like that. I want this to be rounded full as well, so rounded full, like that. I want to give some padding to the left as well, so padding left of 2 or something like that. Let's go with 8. Okay, I'll give some margin to the top as well of 6. No, I'll go with 4 for now. And let's make this enter room button look okay as well. So I'll go here, for example, with 32, just to make it bigger. Enter the room code, then we'll have this, and the button should look better as well. So class name, and I'll make this bg orange 500, like this, and I'll give this a rounded full as well, and we want some margin to the top of 4 as well, like that. Padding on the Y should be 1.5, and padding on the X, so left and right, should be like 4, and save, like that. I want this to be rounded like 0.5 rem, like that. So I have the enter room code. I'll make this button font bold as well, so font bold. Okay, so now you can just type this in, so you can type your code, and then when you enter, you go to the room. So now let's create the logic behind the room. Okay, what's up? Hello Omer, hello everyone who joined the stream. So now let's create the logic behind the room, okay, because we are pretty much done. Let me check again. So we have the const, we have the use state, okay, the navigate, the submit code, this is the function. This basically just redirects us to the actual room code, okay, to the actual room. And so everything looks good here. Let's go to the room right now. So components, no, to the actual room page, okay. So inside the room page, this here, the logic will live in here. So now let's go to, I'll show you guys, I have the documentation right here from Zigo Cloud, because right now we are going to use Zigo Cloud as well. So I think I save it right here. Let me check. Okay, Zigo Cloud, okay, cloud documentation. So let's say documentation. Give me just a second to go here. I have the actual page that we need. Okay, so here. So here we'll install the npm package as well. Okay, no, not this one. Give me 2 seconds and we'll continue. So Zigo Cloud, nope, not this one. Okay, found it, perfect. So this is their documentation for how do you call this, for the video chat API. Okay, so we'll have to install this npm Zigo Cloud UI kit. Okay, so this will look amazing out of the box. And here we have the web version, so you can, if you work with React Native or Flutter or Android or iOS, you can use it as well. But for now we'll use the JavaScript one. Okay, so the install SDK one. if you want to know more, you have all the documentation right here, so you can go to docs.zegocloud.com, okay, and then you can just click here on quick start or overview, authentication, custom prebuild. They have a lot of stuff. This is really customizable. Okay, so yeah, let's start this as well. Okay, so first of all, we'll have as you can see here, we'll have for example, let me see. So you have the chars. Okay, this is in chars. Next, is this a class names? Random. Okay, export default function. No, looks good. Okay, so we'll have the app ID, we'll have the server secret. So this app ID and server secret will be different for every single person. Okay, so you'll find this if you go to Zigo Cloud. So if you go to your account, after you log in, you go to your account. Wait a little bit for this to load. So make sure you create an account first. Okay, and let's wait a little bit. Now we're inside this. Okay, so just go, they have a lot of UI kits, for example, streaming, conference ID, tutorial video game, television, and all that stuff. So you just go to your actual, you'll go here and create your project, and then select one of them. It's not important. And you have here the app sign in. Make sure this is really important, do not share this with anyone. So you'll just click on here and show up callback secret as well, server secret, and server URL. So we'll use this stuff right here, so app ID and server secret. Okay, this is the where's app ID, and then the server secret, it's this one. Okay, this one right here. I'm not going to show you mine, so you'll have your own. Okay, this again is free. Zigo Cloud, it's free, so go ahead and try it as well. You have the links in the description, guys, if you want to use it. So app ID, yeah, first of all, this will be pretty simple. We'll have the room ID stored in here. Okay, so we'll use, for example, use params to actually use this. Okay, so let's have, for example, here I'll say import and I'll say use params, okay, from React router DOM. And here let's create a const room ID as well. Okay, so I'll have a const. Okay, inside here I'll say, let me see, bam, say const, and this will be the room ID, so room ID, and we'll use here the use params, so use params, and here we'll have like this. Save. Perfect. Now let's console log the room ID as well. Console.log room ID and save, and let's check this out. So let's go to localhost as well. So localhost, so we'll have here a room code. We'll go here, and then let's inspect this and go to the console log. Okay, room ID, let's refresh this. Console log room ID. Okay, perfect. Okay, this one, use params. Perfect. Okay, so let's continue now. Let's install Zigo Cloud as well, guys. So let's install Zigo Cloud now. I'll go here at the top and let's copy this one. Copy this, open it as well, paste this Zigo Cloud UI kit right here. Let's wait a little bit for this to load. It should be pretty fast. Okay. And after this is done, I'll show you how to create the meeting as well. So the meeting for this video chat app, my meeting, so something like this. Okay, we'll use something like this. You have the use join room as well, all these things right here. So you have the documentation here if you want to check this out. Okay, so after this room, I'll go ahead and add a const meeting. Okay, so I'll have here, let me 2 seconds. Okay, so we'll have the const meeting right here, so I'll say const, and this will be meeting, so I'll say meeting, and here we'll use an async function, so async. Again guys, if you want to do it by yourself, you have the documentation right here. So meeting, async, and then we have an element right here, so element, for example, or e, whatever you name, this is not important. And here we'll have inside, we'll have a const called app ID, so the thing that I just showed you. I have here const, and this will be app ID equals with, and my app ID will be different from yours, so make sure this is a number and not a string. So it will be something like this, okay? It will not be a string like this, okay? Yeah, so I'll complete this after we are done. Okay, so after the const ID, I'll leave it, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay? Then we'll have the server secret as well, so const, this will be the server secret, and this will be a string, okay? So this is not going to be a number, so it will be something like this. I'll say, for example, here I'll use an example, so example, okay? So it will look something like this. Let me copy this and paste this one more time and save. Then you'll have the kit token as well, okay? So kit token is the one right here, so this will be the kit token. So let's use this kit token as well. Right here I'll say kit token, so const kit token equals with, and let me copy this from here, app ID server secret, okay? This is not really need the whole thing. Let me, okay, for test. So you only need to copy this from here to here, okay? Then you can paste it right here, bam, like that. And inside we'll have our parameters, okay? So we'll have first of all the app ID, so app ID, like that. Then we'll have the server secret. Then after the server secret we'll have the room ID, and then we'll have a date as well. So let's add a date, so date dot now. All these things I'm getting them from their documentation, guys, okay? So date dot now, this is like a function, dot and toString, because we want this to be a string, dot toString, and this is a function as well, like this. And the last thing to add is your name, okay? So what you want to use as your username by default. So I'll say here, for example, Andre, okay, my name, or goosedev, let's say goosedev, save. This will look like this, perfect. Now the next thing to do is add this ZP as well, okay? So after the kit token, you'll go ahead and create a const called ZP as well, okay? So const, and we are almost done, guys, stick with me. So const ZP, so ZP equals with Zigo Cloud pre-built, where is it, Zigo Cloud UI kit pre-built dot create and kit token, okay? So just go ahead and copy this, okay, and just paste it there, okay? So make sure you paste it here like this and save. And now let's ZP join the room as well, okay? So I'll say ZP const div, okay, return, okay, ZP, where's it, here. So this is the all these things should be inside the meeting. Okay, so inside this meeting right here, they should be all inside the meeting. Okay, so here just say zp dot I'm just copying the one from the join. So zp dot join room. Okay, and inside we'll have here we'll have the container. So I'll have a element. Okay, this one. So container, I'll say container element, and after this element I'll have the scenario as well. So scenario, and inside the scenario I'll have mode and Zigo Cloud UI prebuild kit dot group wall. Okay, so make sure you copy this as well. Okay, make sure you copy this. So this will make sure it's a group call. Okay, so I'll say first of all mode, so mode, and then Zigo Cloud UI prebuild kit dot group call, and add a comma, add a comma, and we should be good to go. Now the last thing to do is to create this return. We're almost done, guys. So here we don't want nothing inside, so I'll leave it like this. And this div should be, let's say, I'll say here that the div should be ref. So I'll add the reference right here, and this will be meeting. So the function that we've created, this one, meeting right here, this one, ref meeting. And then I'll have, for example, I can just say style as well, because we want some style for this. Style equals, and I'll have here a width of 100 viewport width. So this thing right here, so style width should be 100 viewport width, and the height should be equal, with 100 viewport height as well. And if you save this, we should be good to go. But ZOK is not defined, Zigo UI kit prebuild is not defined, and with the kit token group call, okay, kit token looks good. Okay, have we forgot to import? Yes, so we'll have to import this one as well. So import, let's import Zigo UI kit prebuild as well. So I'll copy this, import Zigo. You have it in the documentation as well, so let me show you guys. If you take a look at this, at the top you have import Zigo OK from Zigo OK. So copy this, I'll delete this and paste it here and save. Now let's take a look at this. Let's go back to our local host. So make this big again. Let's go to localhost, refresh this, and if you go back to the home page, so right here, we can now enter a code and enter this room. Now the last part to do is just to add our authentication app ID, okay, and the server secret as well. So my app ID, I'll copy my app ID, okay, and I'll paste it inside of this thing, okay, and then you'll go to your dashboard and click on this one, show the server secret, and enter your server secret between these things right here, okay. So I'll do this off screen, so because this is private, so I'll paste my room ID right here, and then I'll copy the server secret as well, and I'll paste the server secret in here, Control V, and save. Let me change the screen as well. So okay, okay, perfect. Let me see, where's it? Room.js. Okay. So now after you've done that, let's go back to our local host as well. So let's go back to localhost. Let's refresh this, and let's go back to home. Let's enter a room code right here. Let me make this big again. Let's see what we have missed. Okay, so I have the room code. Let me check the documentation. Where's documentation? Right here. Let me see. So I have the use params. Navbar looks good. Router looks good as well. Home. Let's go back to home right here. Let me check if I type my my room code and everything good as well. Okay, so I'll copy this home. I'll copy this. I'll copy this code. Let me paste it again. Okay. Save, and let me check if it's working right now. So if it's working, bam, refresh. Let me restart the server as well. So okay, let me restart the server because we've changed a lot of things. So I'll control C this like this and npm run start like this. Bam. Can be like the fact that you'll have to restart the server after you add your things. So now if you go to localhost, so localhost, let's check this out. Wait a little bit for this, and let's read the comments. Hey Adrian, my name is not Adrian. Okay. Matthew. Okay, so the routing is working. Lemon tea, hello Martin, hello Vunguyen, hello, what's up? So yeah, let me change. Let me see if I have the good. If I have the good codes. So I'll have here. Let me see. Bam. Because I don't want to show them on stream, that's why I'm moving it. Okay, let me go ahead and see. So it's inside here. Let me check this and this. Okay, and we should be good. So right now we should be good. So I made sure I actually copied it, so okay, so components / home. Okay, let me see. Let me see if I have this good. So yeah, so it was the problem with the codes. I just redone them. Let me make this full again, back again. So make sure when you go to the room right here, I'm not gonna show you. Let me see if I can actually show you on stream. So my problem was, let me move this room code. Where is room code? Room.js. Okay. Let me delete this server secret and app ID so I can show you guys as well. So make sure again, right here you'll have something like this, and here it will be inside a string like this. Okay, so this is how the code should look, inside this and inside this as well. Okay, just like this. So yeah, I'll go back with my actual secret and ID. Okay, bam, save this, make it smaller. Okay, so yeah guys, you let's see if this works. I'll go to home right here. Okay, so now let's go to the home page. right here. Make it bigger as well, like that. So I deleted the CSS as well. So here, after you add your this one and go to go, so for example, bam, you just join this room, and here you can rename yourself however you want. I don't have my camera, but I'll show you how this works. So let's make this full screen. Here you can, for example, show your screen as well. So I'll go here to share my screen, and I'll use Windows, and I'll go in this one, share. Okay, I'm not gonna show my camera because I don't have one, to avoid infinity mirror. Okay, no problem, ignore this. So here we have one person, this is me, this is you. So I can rename this. Actually, let's do this. So I have my name, so I'll go here like this. I'll enter the room code, so this will be, I don't know, something random, and then press go. And instead of Andre, I'll leave it Andre. Okay, so goose dev, I'll say Andre actually. So join, and here we have the persons, so Andre, you, and then this is the chat. So for example, I can say hello YouTube. I just sent a message successfully. Now let me share my screen as well. So I'll share Windows. Let me go and share, for example, this one, share. So now I'm sharing my I think I'm sharing the actual this one. Okay, so I think I'm sharing the Google Chrome page. Yeah, I'm showing this one. Okay, so if you go to your app, where is it? Localhost. Let's go to localhost. Let's go back to our app, right here. So let me show you. Right now I'm showing this one, so you can see right here. Ignore, okay, ignore. So now you can see how I'm scrolling, and I can share my screen. If you have a camera, you can just press on this one and it'll show your camera instead of this screen. Okay, so now let's try to add more people. Okay, I'll go incognito, so I'll go incognito, new incognito file, Control V. Make sure it's the exact same room code as well. And now if you enter this, user microphone, okay, allow, block because I don't have one, camera it's off, perfect. So now let's join with, for example, goose dev second account. Okay, something like this. Can I add spaces? Yeah. Goose dev second account, and let's join this. And oh my. Okay. Let me turn my microphone. So okay, perfect. I turned off my microphone. I turned down my microphone because it was making a weird effect. Okay, so I'll have this one and this one as well. Perfect. And now you can see that if I can message as well. So for example, I don't have the old message because I just joined the room, but I'll say WhatsApp, and you can see how I get this. Now I'm from Goose Dev. I'm talking with Andre right here. Okay, so here example WhatsApp. I'll say subscribe. You can see how this message is showed up. I can say join. Go to Zigo Cloud, link in description, like that. And now we have go to Zigo Cloud, link in description as well. So we have this working. Perfect. Lemon tea, hello, how to image outline, can you explain? Yes, you can add an avatar as well. So if you have an avatar that you want to show, for example, where is it? You can add your avatar as well. Let's go to their documentation. So now guys, you can see this working. Let me close this up because I showed you that this is working. And yeah, you can add an avatar as well if you go to their documentation. Let me close this one as well. Okay, documentation, products, Zigo Cloud. Okay, so you can add an avatar as well. All documentation, it's right here guys. Okay, it will have to be, your avatar will have to be a link. Okay, so yeah, all that good stuff. So you can have for Next.js, for Angular, and yeah, you can use this with Angular, Vue, Next, React, whatever you like, guys. Okay, so now that we are done with Zigo Cloud, let's redo this page. Okay, so I'll close this and this. Let me open a new Chrome tab right here, and I'll make this an incognito one. So incognito one like this. I'll move it right here. Okay. Let me share my code as well. So this is the app.js. This is how. Let's recap what we've done. So I'll go to localhost right here, and I'll join a room as well. For example, 123 block. Okay, join. So you can have this example right here. Let me share one of my screens as well. Window, and I'll go with. Go this one, share this one. Okay, so let's recap our code, guys. Can I make this smaller? Yeah, I can make it smaller as well. Nice. So let's recap what we have done. Okay, so in app.js, if you go to app.js, we've imported the routing system. Okay, so we have routes, navigate, home, and room as well. Then we've created these routes and then elements as well. So this route, it's to slash. So this is the main page that will show home element. Then if you go to route, you can slash you'll go to room. My bad, not this is the route, yes, but it will show the room page. Okay, so the room page will show dynamically based on your room ID. After this app.js, you can go to home.js as well. So Control B. So in home.js, this is where you enter your code. So you have use state, use navigate, room code, set room code, use state. Then we've imported the use navigate from React Router DOM. Then we've created this function that will submit the code. So this line here prevents the browser from refreshing, and this one will redirect us to /room and then / the room code that we have right here. Okay, so here we have the form, and this is where we've put the function. So when you submit this form, so when you click on this button, this will submit the form and will redirect you to the room with the room code. Okay, inside this one is the title, and this one it's an input where you enter your code of the room. Okay, so it's type text, it's required, of course, placeholder, enter room code, value it's this one right here, so this state. And when you change something inside this input, when you type something in the input, it will change this room code. Okay, so now let's go to the room right here. Okay, so let me get out my passwords. Okay, so my server secret and app ID, I think there's not a problem showing it, but I'm not sure. I'm just gonna hide it as well. So this is it, guys. This is the room code, this is the room element, the room page. So what we've done here, we've imported use params from React Router DOM. We imported Zigo UI kit pre-built from Zigo Cloud as well. We have a const with a room that uses params. Have the const meeting, that is an async function with an element inside. Here, make sure you import your app ID right like this, and here it will be a string like this. This is I've done this mistake as well, so make sure this is a number and this one it's a string. Okay, then the const kit token, make sure you have this on their documentation. I just showed you. Here we have the app ID, server secret, room ID, date as well, and here we have a const zp. Okay, and with the key token inside, then the zp.join room, this is the scenario, it's an element, so this element right here, and the scenario has a mode Zigo Cloud pre-built group call. Here we have the ref of the meeting and the styles as well. So width 100 viewport width and height 100 viewport height, guys. So this was pretty much all. So if you go here inside the index.js, you can see that here we have the router as well. Bam, bam, perfect. And import the browser router as well. So this is all the code that we needed, guys. Yeah, make sure you don't have any typos and anything. And if you want to join, if you want to do the same thing that I've done, make sure you go to ZEGOCLOUD.com and use their API. Create an account, it's free. So yeah, go ahead and use it, it's free. You have the links in the description, guys. Now let's actually make this page looking better. Okay, so I'll close this room code just so I don't show my let me go here and add back my secrets. Okay, let me add my secret and okay. 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 Let me go to localhost as well. So I'll go to localhost right here. Localhost. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Save this as well. Okay, so we'll make this look better first of all. So okay. Let me add Visual Studio as well. Oh, I have it already, my bad. Okay, so let me check something really fast. We'll just do some CSS right now, guys, because we're pretty much done with the logic behind it. Okay, so I'll make sure this is good. Okay, so we are back. This is the room.js. Let me exit this as well. Oh no, I don't think it's it. Let me see what I have here. Okay. Yes, my bad. Okay, bam. Now I can close this room. I can close the index, home.js. Yeah, we can close all this, and let's start styling our home page right here. I'll move it in the corner right here, like that. Bam, bam. And let's style this up. Let's make this look cool. Okay. Hello, Shoda. What's up? What's up? Well, let me go here as well. So now we are gonna go to the CSS part, guys. Okay. Yeah. So let's start styling this up. This will be pretty fun because our app is already working. So yeah. Okay, so here the room code. Enter the room code. Control B. If you go to home right here, this is our home page. So enter the room code. This will be flex. Let's make this flex. So I'll say flex items center, item center, justify center, flex column as well, so flex column because this column. Say we have this go button as well. So have this div, this home button. Okay, we have the form as well. Now what I want to do is to make this form, where's this one? This one should be flex column as well with justify as well. So I'll have a class name here equals with flex column justify center items center. Okay, so now I have this code as well in the middle. Alright, so we'll have a big thing right here in the middle, but we'll have first a navbar as well and all that good stuff. So this one should be like the hero text, you know, so home form div. So this one will be like hero, so hero text should be the hero. So I'll have here another div, I'll move everything inside it like this. So this will be the hero, like that. And after this hero, before this hero, we'll have the navbar. So I'll say navbar right here, navbar. This will be the navbar, but first let's add, for example, like let's go to Unsplash and use some images. So I'll say Unsplash, and let's look for a online conference. Okay, conference. Let's see. What do we have here? Yeah, something like that. We'll see what we use, because we want like a hero image, you know. So this navbar will be like a div with a height of 7 rem. So let's say height of 7 rem, and we'll have some links inside it, you know, and bg black. So I'll go with like 6 maybe, so 6 rem, something like this. No, 5 rem, it's enough. 5 rem, like that. And we have a logo and everything in there. But this room code will have a background image, for example, something like, let's find something good. Which one should we go with? I love your daily streams, thank you, dude. No. Let me find like a good image that we can use. Maybe this one. Let me find an actual good one. Something like this. Yeah, I'll go with this one. So I'll take, for example, let me change the song as well, guys. So I'll take which one have I said I want? Something like this, yeah. So let's take something like this. Download. Let's import it as well. So Control B. I'll have in source. I'll have an assets, and in assets, no. I'll move this inside assets. Let's rename this, say conference. Man, you taught me a lot about coding. Thank you, no problem. So conf, okay, wait a little bit for this to load as well. Bam, perfect. Now this will be our background image. So if you go to home right here, we'll have the room code. Yeah, so inside the hero, this will be like our background image. So I'll have a div right here. This will be the background image, and this will be the hero. So hero info, and this will be image. So image. Now this image should have like, this image should be like an image. So I'll say image img tag img, and this img will have a source as well, source that it's equal with and conf.jpg. Let's import this one as well. Import conf from slash public, no, slash source slash assets, yes, slash conf dot jpeg. Let's copy conf and actually use it right here and save. Okay, so have this. Okay, we want to give this a, where is it? Navbar hero image. Okay, so this one is the image. I'll make this class name. This should be no, first of all I'll give this a max height, so I'll say height, max height should be like 50 rem. I'll go with 30 rem. Okay, so it's working, but we want to make this flex, so I'll say flex, and I'll say here object cover, so object cover, so you can make this object cover like that, perfect. And this will be with full height, full, so it's not stretched. So flex, okay, and overflow hidden as well, so overflow hidden like this. This is what we want, guys. And this one will be absolute as well, so I'll make this absolute. Where is it? Flex overflow hidden max. Okay, so this will be absolute, and relative to this thing right here at the top. Navbar, no, not to that one, but to this one, to the hero. Okay, to the, so this is the navbar, this is the hero, and this is the hero image. Yeah, so this will be relative to this one, so class name relative, save. And now the image is showing on top of the text. So if you make the text white, where is the text? Image hero info right here. I'll say text white first of all, so text white, but you cannot see it still because the image is on top of it. Okay, so object, oh yeah, it was object, my bad, guys. So it's object. So now I'm pretty sure I don't have to use this overflow hidden. Let's see, yeah, we don't have, but yeah, we have to. So max height 30. Okay, object cover with full height full. So now this one, this image should show behind the hero. Okay, so I'll have a div right here. I'll move everything inside, so I'll move this form inside it, the hero info, and this will be a z index of 10. Okay, so if I save this and make this relative as well and save, you can see that this one is showing on top right now. Perfect. Okay, so now that we've set this up, let's go ahead and make it look prettier. So I have enter room code right here. I'll say Zigo Cloud video chat app or something like that. So enter zoom code. Okay, I'll have here hero info as the text. Where is this one? Okay, so I'll have here a div right here, and I'll say h1. This one will say video chat app video chat app. It's right here, so I'll make this text white as well. Where is this? Flex column, justify center. I don't know if I want this anymore, so justify center, item center. I don't want this anymore, and I don't want this flex item center, justify center neither. So they should show up like this. Perfect. Now this video chat app, let's make it white and big as well. So I'll say, where is it? Video chat app. This one should be class name, should be text like 56 pixels. And text white as well, text white, like that. Video chat app. Now the room code, let's work with the room code as well. Now video chat app, and underneath I'll have a paragraph. With Zigo Cloud. Okay, so it's Zigo Cloud, and this one should be class name text. Where is it? Copy this. It should be like 26 text white as well. With Zigo Cloud. Okay, let's add a font as well. So let's go to Google Fonts. Google Fonts. Let's take out Poppins as well. So I'll have it. Where's fonts? Google Fonts. Google Fonts. Poppins. Okay. Let's take some styles from here. So I'll have 200, then I'll have 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's import this. I'll copy it. So I'll copy this, and we'll use it inside our app.js. Right here we'll have a header or a head. So return routes app.js, yeah. So I have a head right here. I have a head. And inside I'll have this. Oops. Save. What's up with this head? Okay. Header. Header. Save. What's up? Let me give it a routes. What was it a header? Let me see. React folder code pen. Let me check if it was file structure. Let me see if it was a header or a head. I'm not sure. Code pen. Code pen. So app.js, let's go to app.js. Where is it? React app code pen. Let's see. No, not this one. So I have HTML, CSS, JS, and slash. Okay, okay. I mean, it should work fine with was it header or head? Header. It was head. Bam. Have to end these links tags as well. And I don't need this. I don't need this. Save. No, not like that. Let me paste this one more time. Like this. And let's end this as well. Link. And this should be it. Link end. Yeah, I have a link end. So 1, 2, 3. I have 3 link ends. Is it header? Save. Link 1, 2. Oh, it's because this header has to be inside this div. Okay, so inside this div. Save. Okay. Yeah, header is not defined. It should be head and head. Head is not defined. What was the name of what was the name of that? Head or header or what? I'm gonna create a new React app. Let me check. So I'll go to let me check a new React app. So recent. Okay. Hello, how, what's up? Let me go to app.js and see this. Let me check a new recent file. This one. Tag lowercase. Was it lowercase? Was it head or header? Like this. I think it was header like this. Let me check. Not this one. Okay. No. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Not this one. Oh, it's a head. Oh my god, we're in the... No, we're in React. I thought we were in the Next.js, we're in React. We have to add this in the... I'm so used to Next.js. So you have to go to index. You have index in Next.js. You don't have index.html. So in index you have to create that, but here you can just paste it. So if you go to fonts, let's go back to fonts. Copy this again, and you can just paste it right here. Save. It should be good. That was it. Now copy this CSS rule as well. Close this. You can close this. You can save this as well. close, go to styles.css, and here just create index CSS. Here create a class for everything, paste this and save, and now we have this it's video. So home, video chat app with Zigo Cloud. Okay, so I'll make this font bold as well, font bold. I'll add some padding on the left and on the right. So actually I'll give this, for example, when it's small, I'll say that hero info, hero here. I'll say padding on the X should be 4. No, so we need to add it after this image in the header info right here. I can put it here, padding on X 4. Go 6. Okay, so I have padding on the X like that, 6. Now with Zigo Cloud should be okay. Now let's have some padding here. Okay, so this will be enter code. Okay, and this will be the kind of the title or main. Okay, so here we'll have at a bottom, I'll say padding bottom should be 8. Text 56. Okay, I'll delete this. Video chat app with Zigo Cloud. So I want less padding to the top, so I'll say margin top should be -4. So -4, like this. What about -2? Yeah, like that. And enter the room code should be kind of the enter the room code should be way bigger. So I'll have here, for example, a class name should be text 25 pixels, and the room code should be underneath. So I'll have a flex here, so flex items, item center, justify center, and flex column as well. So flex column. I don't want justify, I don't want the items center. Okay, and this enter room code should be like a max width as well. So enter room code, enter room code, text 25 pixels. So enter room code, I'll give it a padding on the Y of 2. Enter room code, no, so copy this. In the input we have here enter room code, have a class name here, class name, padding on the Y2, padding on the X2 as well, rounded, rounded full like that. I'll say padding on the X4 actually, so 4, and max width I'll give it a max width of 4 rem, 14 rem. Yeah, but I want padding on the Y to be only 1.5. So margin on the top as well, so let's give it margin top of 2. That. And the room code should be, where is this one? Should be font bold as well. Perfect. Text 35. No. 25. 30 maybe. Yeah, 30 works. And I'll go with a blue, text blue, you know, so text blue 500. Nope. I'll leave it white, okay. Okay, and the button should be should I make it flex? Okay. Okay, let me make it bigger. So I'll say here class name. I'll say BG should be white and text should be blue 500 and font bold as well. And I want this to be width of 10 rem. RAM. We'll go with 5 RAM. And should be rounded. Rounded full. And I don't like this combination, so I'll delete this. I'll just say background BG should be blue 500. Check this out. Okay, yeah, something like that. And padding on the eye should be 1.5. 1.5. This change just don't goes well, guys. So I'll go to here. Okay. So 1.5 looks good. Now I want some margin on the top as well. So margin top should be 2. Okay. 1.5 means 6 pixels. I go with 5 pixels. Okay. Have entered the room code. When you click something on this and go, bam, perfect. You cannot see anything because the text is white. So if I say, for example, on this input that text it's black. Save. Now when you click on some, when you actually go here, just refresh. Allow. Okay. So now when you click on something, bam, you go to the room. Bam, perfect. Okay, so let's go back to our app. So I have entered the room code. Go. We'll have here some links as well. Okay. But first, let's make this look better. So main image, okay. Let me see. So here, where is it? Video chat app. Enter room code. Okay, I'll close this and this, and let's make it prettier. Go to files. Inside files, I have assets, components, app.js, home. Video chat app. No. Let me create a new incognito file as well. localhost. Okay, like that. Files. Okay, so here in the files, let's see what we have. So first of all, we'll go, yeah, okay, Flux, yeah. Video chat app, where is it? And more padding to the top as well. Padding top should be 4. Let's go with 6. Yeah. And the height of this can be like 60. Okay. Yeah, so it makes a difference on bigger devices. I should be full with full. Max height, okay. No, I'll see just height, not max height. Yeah, I'll go with 30 rem. $35. And you see this? We want the width to be full as well, so width should be full like that. Hello Yadul, what's up? Now I want to give this a max width as well, you know, so. Okay, video chat app, enter with Zoom call. Let's make it, I mean, it's pretty big already. I want this to be bigger, kind of. So enter room code, so enter room code, where is it? Enter room code. Maybe more padding to the top of 20. No. I'm not really sure what I want to do here. Let me have an example. So I'll go to dribble. And I'll say video call. Video call, so let me see. Let me go to dribble in my normal browser, so dribble. So I'll look for a video. Video chat. Not a ton of examples, but so yeah, something like this. Yeah, I'll do something like this, guys. So let's see, we'll have on the left. Ooh, I like it, yeah. Good design here. So, yeah. I'll have half of the screen with this and half with this, okay? Okay. So let's go to app.js right here, app.js, and on the left we'll have this logo. Let's get a video logo as well, so I'll say video. Video logo. Images, let's see images. I have something like, let me see. No. Let's see. Oh, I was not showing you guys, sorry. I was scrolling for images and I was not showing you, sorry. So I have this Prime Video as well. Okay, no. Let's see. Rumble. Let's get ready to rumble. Where is it? Do I have no actual good? I'll take something like this then. I'll take maybe this one or this one. I think this one is more bluish, looks better. So save this one or this one. I'll go with this one. Save images. Let's move this inside. So in assets, I'll have. Oh, let me make it smaller as well. So I'll move this inside assets. Rename this to. Oh my god, it does not have. I have to delete the background. So let's delete the background. No. No. Remove BG. I'll move this inside here. Let me download this. So download. Bam. Now let's drag this inside our app. So I'll move this inside here. Let's rename this to logo.png. I'll close this. Okay. And here we'll have routes. Route, okay. Where is it? Home. In the home, inside the Navbar, probably, yeah. So let's go to Navbar here. Let's have a component called Navbar inside components. I'll have a Navbar. Navbar.js RFC. RFC, save. Okay. Give me just a second. Okay, so we have a drink of water and we'll continue, guys. Cool, did not know you can do that. Do what? Okay, so Navbar here will import the logo, so I'll say import logo from slash assets slash logo dot png. Is it png.png? Save, and let's use this logo. And here we'll have inside this navbar, I'll have in the left the logo, so I'll have a left section, where is it? No, which one was it? No, this one. Okay, let me save this as well, so I have it here as well. Okay, so on the left I'll have the logo, so left, and middle, I'll say middle, and right as well. I think I'll have only left and right save. I'll not make it the same as this one, so yeah. On the left I'll have a div. I'll have a div with an image img, and the source should be logo. Right here should show up. Let's see. Home. Height 5 rem. What is this? Let's import the navbar here, so navbar, save, and we should have the navbar right here. Nice. So inside the navbar I'll say bg black and height of 5 rem as well, 6 rem. And this one should be flex, and this one should be class name, object cover, height 6 rem. Okay, and I'll give this a width. I'll give this a width of 2 rem and height of 2 rem as well. Wait a little bit, bam. So I actually want more. Oh, this is flex, not flex 6. So now you can see it's sticking between these lines, okay? If I give it a padding all around of 2, yeah, I want more. So padding, I'll say let me think. Okay, close this as well. Yeah, so I'll have this one be like, for example, do you see this BG black height 6 rem? I want it to be right here, so class name height 6 rem, okay, and this one should be height full, like that. And padding all around, no, I'll just say here at the top that I want the width to be like forum, height to be like forum. No, height should be full, yeah. What if I go with 2? So I want the height to be forum as well. Let me delete this. Bam. Now this one should be flex items center, justify between. Bam. I want some padding on the left as well. Padding on the X should be 12. That's a lot. Should be 6. 6, 4. Okay, 4 it is. And let's have where is it? Height. Okay, I'll just say here BG white as well and rounded full. So I have something like that. Perfect. Now I want for example, after this image I want another div. I want a div like this and another one right here. Move all of these here. Save. Instead I'll have a paragraph. Inside this paragraph I'll have a video call app, and the text should be white. Text white, font bold. Let's flex item center. Where is this coming from? Like that. And I'll make this class name. This one should be only 3, so I'll go 3 and 3. Video call app. This will be font bold. Text. I already have font bold. Text should be 30 pixels. No, 20. 20. I have some padding to the left as well. Like that. Okay. Sorry for that. We're back. So I have enter room code. Okay, looks good. Video call app, and on the right we should have like, let's see, about us, product, blog. Okay, so on the right I'll have a div with a UL, an li, and instead I'll have an about us. After this one I'll have another li, and this one will be product. Can you save? Nice. After this one, after product, we'll have blog. Save. This one should be class name. Should be text white and font bold. what's up, like that, and flex as well, so I'll give a flex items center, gap of 2. Why is it taking so long? I don't understand. Save. Okay, I'll make it a 4 like that, and as you can see there's not enough space, so on mobile, oh yeah, it's about us. No, now really it's not my fault, it's the keyboard fault, okay? So about us, okay, product blogs looks good. Yeah, something like this. What we want to do now, let's see. Okay, let me see something really fast. Okay, here I'll say, for example, 2 seconds. Okay. Bam. All right. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Yeah, let's continue. So about us, about about us. Look, see, so my control is not working. Oh my god, my control is not working. Control Z. That's why I get a lot of S's. Save. Okay. Bam bam. About us, video chat app. I'll make this, I'll give some more padding to the top as well. So for example, padding top of, where do I have the padding on this? Oh no, here I am in the Navbar. So after medium, I'll say after medium, MD, I want the max width to be 70 viewport width, and margin on the X auto. I'll go with 80, 90, like that, and I'll move this. Now I'll have to create another div, move everything inside, and move this BG black at the top, and the height, I mean, can stay here. Save. I'll go with 5 rem just because, and let me see what I can do. BG black of 20, no, it's 80. That's it, like this. Now what else can we do? Room code, I can paste it, and when you type it in, we go to the Zigo Cloud application. Perfect. Camera starting now. Let's go back. X. Nice. Yeah, I know. So video chat app. I'll copy this. BG black no. MD margin X auto. I'll copy this, and we'll go to home. And in this home, Navbar, no, not here. Hero, no. In the hero info I'll have this. Save. Bam. Padding on the x6, on medium I want padding on the x to be 0. Actually no, I think I still want it. Save. Yeah, I still want it. So this is how it looks. Mobile and then medium. Alright. So now I'll make this bigger as well. So I'll make the text bigger. Video chat app. Where's text? 56. I'll go with 86. On medium, okay, so text 80, copy this. So it's 56, then on medium, I want this text to be 80. So like this on medium, so I want more padding to the top as well. Here, so enter zoom code, where is it? Enter room code. Here, this is a font I'll have here. Let me delete this. So I'll say that padding on the top should be 12 on medium. Okay, so MD. Maybe. Nah, I'll leave it as 12. I'll make this enter code as well bigger. Where is it? Enter room code. I'll make this text on medium. Text should be 40 pixels. Okay, input should be bigger, go button should be bigger as well. So yeah, cool. Okay, about us, yeah. Let me check something, guys. Okay, what do we have here? Let's see. Okay. Okay. All right, yeah. So let's continue, guys. So video chat app, okay. Enter room code, then I'll have enter room code input. So I'll give it, for example, a padding top of 12, margin top, and it should be like 6, margin top of 6, and on MD, so MD. Okay, padding on the Y, MD, padding on the Y should be 2. And go here, I'll say MD, margin on the top should be 4. Width, padding on the Y 5 pixels, on medium. Let me copy this. MD, padding on the Y should be 7 pixels. And on the X, where is it on the X? Padding on the X should be 6, 12. Padding on the X should be 12. Why is it like this? Padding on the X. Oh, it's because of the width. Okay, yeah. So I'll say on medium. Medium, the width should be 7 rem. Like that, okay? Something like that. Bam. From here to here. So now I'll make this smaller as well. Let me see. Bam, bam on medium, then on large. I want this to be all centered, okay? So on LG, I say, oops. On LG, I want this to be flex column, and items center, justify center. Save this, and on LG we get this. Perfect. Now I'll move this from here, here I'll move it, copy, bam. I want it only here, so do I have already flex now? Save. And I want this to happen, but I want this to be in center, okay? So let's go inside video chat app. This will be here. I'll say LG flex column, item center, justify center. I'll paste it here as well. Bam. And I'll paste it here as well with enter room code for save, like that, and enter room code. Where is it? Here. I'll move it, justify center, LG item center, LG items center. Perfect. Okay, so enter room code. Nice. Now I want something additional. So after this image, we have this image right here. I want another one like this, but this will be we'll have nothing inside. Height 35, which should be full, and the BG should be black. If I save, have this, but I want to be black with 60% opacity. So now, do you see the difference between those two? You can actually see the text better, like here. Let me show you guys. So 60. If I delete this overlay, so this will be like an overlay. Save. So if I delete this overlay right here, I can delete this. You see the difference? Bam, bam. So I can say, for example, 50 here. Now I'll go with 80. 80, no, 70. Yeah, I think 70 looks the best, so leave it as 70. So bam, bam, bam. No, 60. 60 is definitely the best. With this image, bam, bam, bam. Hello Maz, welcome to the stream. Alright, so after this, enter the room code. We'll have something like, let's see what we can have. Start for free. Okay. I'll just say, for example, here, where is it? If you go here, hello. So Navbar, okay. Oops, okay. So I'll have, what's the height of this? So because I have in the home, height should be full. So hero, Navbar, no, hero. So we'll have this image. I'll say height, screen. hide screen, and this one should be hide full and hide full. Save. Okay, so this is what we want, guys. Bam bam bam, and then bam bam bam. If I say full, no. Okay, looks good. This is what we wanted. Now I'll just give on, where is this, on large, I guess. Let's see. So bam bam bam. On large, I want more padding to top, so large, where is it? Large. MD, no. Padding bottom, padding top. MD, Control F, let's see. Control F, LG. Overlay hero info, here I'll say LG flex, and on LG, where's the padding? Padding X, I'll say on large, padding top should be 20. Okay. Hello Jalal, hello Maz, Syed, Costa. What's up guys, welcome to the stream. Okay. So now when you enter a room code, you will be redirected to Zigo Cloud join a room API. Okay, so bam, you can share your screen as well. We can go ahead and share our screen, share this one, and we can see we can share our screen. So if you go on incognito and create another user, so if you go here and paste this in and go for example with a different name, so this will be Alex, this will be Goose, like this. Join, check this out. So I can see his screen, you see this, and we can chat as well. You can see we have two persons, so Goose and Andre. So I'll have a room, I'll say bam bam bam, ignore. So here let's open the chat. You can see you have the message. I'll paste this in, you have the message. So everything is working guys, everything looks good. Nice. You're presenting to everyone, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, this is Zigo Cloud API guys. So if you want to do the same thing that I've done today, it's very easy. Just follow this tutorial, and you have the link in description to get 10,000 free minutes on Zigo Cloud API. Okay. Something in the air. Tum, tum. Okay, let me check something as well. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I can close this, I guess. Let's see, I'll close this. So now you can see you can just close this call, confirm, return to home screen. So I have this. If you want to go to home, just go to home, localhost, and that's it. And you have this showing up really nicely guys. Nice. Okay, so I have like 10 more minutes to go. Okay, So if you are watching this on YouTube, let me do a last recap. We've built this app with Zigo Cloud and React.JS and Tailwind CSS. So if you want to follow this tutorial, go ahead, you have a link in the description with the Zigo Cloud chat API. Okay, they have a lot of products. Let me show you guys. If you go to Zigo Cloud, right here, you can see they have products: video call, in-app chat, superboard, voice, virtual avatars, cloud recording, live streaming, AI effects, analytics dashboards, and everything. So it's free for 10,000 minutes. They're all free every single month, so go ahead and give it a try. They have a really nice website, a lot of possibilities what you can do with this thing. Lot of kind of apps you can do with it. So yeah, go ahead, it's free. Go ahead and try to have the links in the description, guys. So let's do a last test on this thing, okay? I'll say, for example, why not do it later? Yeah, so let's do a little bit more of I want to do some hover effects, and then we'll do a last show off, okay? So we'll have, for example, do you see this outline? I don't like it, so let's go here inside. Where is this? Enter room code. Where is it? Enter room code, enter room code. This one, label input, this one. I'll say outline 0, so outline 0, so 0, and if I save, bam, perfect. Now I want, when I hover over this, the button should change, so let's change the color of this button as well. Here, this one, when I hover over it, the BG is blue 500, so I'll say hover, I'll say BG blue 400 and save. So when you hover over this, hover, so H, save. Now when you hover over this, bam, you get this. So something like this, but we want this to be, we want to give this a duration as well, so say duration should be 100 and save. So you can see now they have duration. I want to make this ease out as well, so I want to give some ease to this. I'll say, okay, the chat is quiet. Guys, ask me some questions. We have like 7 more minutes to go. So yeah, go ahead, ask me some questions about this. So margin top, okay, what is it? So this one here, I want to give it some ease in and out, okay? So I'll say ease, where is it here? Ease out and save. And now you can see this when I hover over it, bam. Okay. Okay. Now I have this, perfect. Boom. Do I want this to be centered all the time? Maybe, yeah. So let's make this video chat app. Where is it? Video chat app. 75 pixels and save. I'll go with 60 pixels. Oh, no. So text should be 50 normally. And LG flex, now I'll say that we want always this to be flex, like that. And enter zoom code, where is it? Zoom code, enter room code. Okay, enter room code, flex color, justify, okay. I'll delete this, so I want this all the time to happen, save, like that. And LG items center, now I want all the time this to happen, so save. Bam, bam, bam. Yes, this is what we want, guys. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. Looks good. So I have this animation as well. We want this to be cursor pointer on the navbar. So if you go to the navbar, about us, okay, I'll say here cursor pointer, so cursor pointer like this. And if I save and wait a little bit, this will be looking like this. Slash between save t hello Asmir, what's up? So now I have this. Bam, bam, bam. This can be an a link as well, so for example or a link, because you can use the link from React router DOM as well. Okay. So have blogs, products, about us, nice. I'll actually want more padding here as well, so enter the room code. Where is it? Enter room code, home. No, I don't want you in the chat. So okay, so I want more padding here. Enter room code, label, yeah, I want, where is it? Label, enter room code. Yeah, here I want more padding to the top, so where's padding to the top? I'll say padding top should be like 20. Nice. One more padding to the top as well on the video chat app. So video chat app, where is it? Padding top should be 12 as well. Okay. Let's leave it as 8. Save this. 6. Yeah, I think 6 is was by default, but this is how it should look. Sync. All right. So now we'll do like a last recap with everything. Okay, guys. So have a last recap with what we've built today, and then we'll end the stream. So okay, T, hello Amir, hello Maz, hello Jalol, Maz, Said, Costa, VNM, welcome to the stream, guys. So in this video we've built this video chat API. Let me show you with Zigo Cloud as well. So with Zigo Cloud, it's really nice. Let me show you guys. Go to Zigo Cloud. It's a really nice communication app with voice and video chat API. They have a lot of products, so you have video call, in-app chat, superboard, voice call, virtual avatars, cloud recording, live streams, AI effects, analytics dashboards, and more, even more. So yeah, go ahead, create an account, and you'll have your keys right here. It's free, so you can you have a link in the description. if you want to try this out. Have a lot of options that we can build, like you can build all these apps with it. So we have a, where is it, I think it's 10,000 minutes every single month for free. So have a link in the description, guys. Go ahead and check this out. Now let's look at our app. So I have this enter room code. I'll have, for example, I'll say room code whatever I want, so like this. You just have to type in a code, and here this will be my name. So you can add an avatar as well if you want, but I'm not going to. So I'll leave it as Andre. I'll join this. I'll share my screen. For example, I'll go here. You can have a camera. I don't have a camera, but I'll share my screen. So window, and I'll go with this one, share my screen. Now I share my screen. I'll go ignore. Ooh. Let me refresh. Okay, let me open a new incognito file as well. So I'll have it right here, and I'll go to the same link. So I'll copy this. It's normal that effect to happen, you know, so because we have too many windows, the same windows. So I'll paste this in, move it here, and this will be Goose, so it'll be a different user. I'll say Goose dev, like this, Goose dev. Let's join like that, and let me join as Andre. I'll share my screen as well, window, and I'll go for which one? For this one. I'll share this code, and let me go to the different one as well. So I'll move it half and half, so you can see both instances. Okay, like that. So now you can see that here I'm showing my screen right here. If I open the Visual Studio, you can see my mouse moving right here. If I move something or if I delete, you can see all these changes. Okay, perfect. Now since this works, let me open it again. Bam. Where's the other one? Okay, so I have these two instances. So this one, it's Andre. You can check the users as well, so Andre and Goose Dev. So there are two people watching. Goose Dev, that it's this is me here and this is me here. Okay, so if I go in the messages and say, for example, I am Goose Dev, okay, and here if I say I am Andre and enter this, you can see we are sending messages. You have the time as well, so 6 p.m, 6:34 p.m. you have the timestamps and everything. So yeah, this is a really nice technology from Zigo Cloud, guys. If you want to build something like this, you have the links in the description. Go ahead and check them out. They're the sponsor of our video today. So thank you Zigo Cloud for sponsoring us, and yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Okay, so now that we are done with this YouTube video, because this will be uploaded on video, if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the chat. Otherwise, I am going to finish this video, guys. So I can exit this. Okay, let me post this on GitHub and we'll finish this up, guys. Good stream, thank you Watson. So GitHub, okay, let me post this. I'll go to repositories. I'll say Zigo Cloud, create repository, and let's publish this as well. Control B. I'll say cd what's the name? Control B, video chat, cd video chat. Okay, well, already cd video chat. Yeah, well, already here, so let's say git init Now git add all, so git add all, git commit as well, git branch m as well, git remote add, and git push origin as well. Copy and paste and save. Good stream. Hello Bavesh, what's up? Vatsan, Jadav, hello guys. Now if I refresh this, I should have my website right here, so I'll post this in the description and in the chat as well if you want to give it a try again with Zigo Cloud. So guys, check them out in the description as well. Okay, I'll have a GitHub code as well, so GitHub code, have the link in the description as well. Bam, I'll save this. Nice, perfect. Hello Zain. Yeah, we'll do it Vatsan sometime. So I'll close this, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next stream tomorrow. Bye bye.